And this one too. Hola. Hola. One of these little bastards bit me. The best mozzarella stick you've ever had in your whole life. This is about to be great. What is up? We are at El Alto del Chocho on the way to Guatapé, in between Guatapé and Medellin. This place is a new rest stop and they got a lot of animals and good food. And I don't know, I'm pretty excited. This is a super popular spot, so let's go check it out. Ooh la la. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. What? 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 Okay, so this is 100% worth the drive. Just this part. We got good food, but oh, my little friend's back. So this is they have like pony rides here for the kids. I mean, this is a full-fledged petting zoo. Donkeys. We got some goats right here. What up? What up, dog? And then we got the llamas just hanging out. Hello. This place is worth coming to Colombia. Just this. I like you. No, no. Here. Okay, hello. Nope. Tank. So, one of these little bastards bit me. 100% worth it. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from Medellin, like 30 minutes from Guatapé. This joker is mean. He's the one that bit me. So we got a little baby over here. Let's see. Little baby. Anyway, this is so worth it. So cool. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so they have a lot of different food options. I got the traditional like steak. Look really good. We'll see. But they have a lot of options. We kind of are here in the evening, or I'm in here in the evening, and the sun's going down. They do the horses, like the trotting of the horses and stuff right here during the day, but got here a little late. So yeah, we'll see about the food. Prices are decent. I think my steak and drink and everything will be like 15 American, so we'll see. Hello! Nobody wants me. So this is like a platter thing. It's got pastelito de pollo, croqueta jamón, croqueta the queso, yeah, whatever, an empanada. So this is like the best mozzarella stick you've ever had in your whole life. And it comes with like this jelly. You wouldn't think it's good, but I'm telling you, the best mozzarella stick I've ever had. This is worth coming. I finally have a follower. They subscribed. You should subscribe. Nope. Hey. Okay, bye. Well, let's see. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a chicken, fried chicken, but not. You just gotta come here and check it out. Next we have on the platter some kind of potato something. I don't know. It's like a potato but with vegetables inside and then fried. If it's fried, it's good. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Mwah. Mwah. Okay, so the steak and everything was like 16 bucks. The platter of different like things that I showed you, like the 20 different things on there, everything was like $37 total for all that. Easily could have fed 2 people or 3 people. The food to buy, the carrots, $2.50 American, so definitely worth it. I would come here more earlier in the day because they do more shows with the horses and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, but yeah. Okay, I'm wrapping up my video here at Alto del Chocho. It was amazing. It was so worth the very long Uber ride and now the Uber ride back. But I mean, I'm going to do a whole video of if I was to come to Medellin and Guatapé, what I would do, but I'm definitely adding this in there so that way you can hang out with some of my friends. And this one too. Hola. Hola. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thanks for following along. Till next time. Bye-bye.